This is GJH coming to you for today because last time it was a long video and got new characters and it was lit. So I have my 23 crystals now. Right, so he has 3-star crystals. So let me go to my crystals first. And let's go move the camera. So let's open up the 3 crystals. Right, okay. Small energy refill. Instantly restore 5 quest energy and 2 Taiwan basic iOS 8. Yeah, iOS L8. So alright then. Let's try the worstest crystals. 8 open ones. So let's open up. Oh my gosh. Another small energy refill. 1 level portion health, 211 battle chips, and 440 gold. Alright, then so about the 2 open crystals for the 2-star crystal. So sorry about that. Finally it's dead. Okay, there's a lot of 2-star characters. Oh, it's Terminator. I want a new character right now. New character. Please, new character. New character. New character. New character. New character. Oh my gosh. Duplicate 2-star Black Panther. Lace Wave 5. Skip that part. Alright. Stop for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. New character. New character. Please. Please. New character. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's not bad, too. Oh, Fire Spent. Sense. That's now his new ability for Spider-Man. Oh yeah. Can't say one of the 110 3-star hero crystal sword, which gets my chance. Which I did happen last week on my video too. Just having a chance to get it. So let's open the 2 open daily crystals. So okay, there's a little gears for characters to rank up. So alright. Alright. 2-star Iron Fist, a different character. Or champion. Okay, focus number 5. Oh, the little balloon cosmic blow up. So let's do it. Alright, there's a little geared ones, the iOS 8 Kylax part and units to characters, so oh my gosh, I really hate 1-star characters. Don't worry, I will sold the character later till I finish all this. 1 new, 1 converted. Yeah, I have the 55 3-star hero crystal shard. We're going to check mine right now. So alright, I don't have enough for that. Oh, sorry about my hand blocking the. So let's try the 4 free crystals. Let's open up 4 of them. Okay, that's 4 level 1 health portion. That's great. Okay. This is awesome. Right. Where we go open next? Okay. The next crystals is for the first time in this video. Let's add. Okay, let's add another one. Open up two. Oh, okay. That's a good one. One health boost. And one tier 3 science iOS 8. Okay. Okay. I have one. Oh, sorry about the assassin crystals, because I don't really had enough to get it. So, okay. Screw up and get more. Okay. Let's add two more. And let's open the 8 crystals. Oh my gosh! 42,900 gold and 15 units. Okay, that's great. Alright. Now, the last part. Now, finally, the last one is this. Alright. Wait, so let's talk about. Oh, it's my quest energy. Add 2,000 more. Let's add 2,000 more. Okay. Start it up. Interface. New character. Let's keep going. 13, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New character! Yeah, come on, new character! Oh my gosh! Oh, I got the new one! How? Contact number 2 for Storm, and there's a light flash up. So, sign in. Oh, I see the 4-star Captain America, which is the gold. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Darn it! Darn it! I almost got it! Oh, yeah, it's a 2-star duplicate now. The invalidate. Come on, this is my chance. Come on, do it for America. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to keep going for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Really? This is stupid. Oh. The off sale. Oh yeah, these are the characters are actually converted on 65. So, I'm sorry there's no new character. Actually, there's so one character, 1 star, which I really I don't really like it. Or I can sell it right now, in this video now, so. So, please leave me a comment and subscribe for more. G Squad out.